Hi everyone, it's Fanny. Welcome back to Creation by Favi. I know you guys haven't seen me in a while, but I'm back, and I was in the middle of a lot of exciting things happening in my family, and I also got a little bit sick. No big deal, but I'm back. I'm here, so excited and so glad to be here. But if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by and welcome. So I also want to thank you all who's been sending me such a sweet messages, emails the last couple of weeks asking me what's going on with my channel, why no videos. So that was the reason for. But I'm here, I'm back, and I want to share with you guys a new Dollar Tree DIY fall decor. I really hope you guys enjoy it and stay to the end. And let me know what you think about my DIYs by leaving your comment below. So let's get started. So hi again. So let's get started with the materials: 3 picture frames from dollar store, some wooden stickers, and also some wire signs from dollar. So let's start removing the plastic from the picture frames, and then also remove the back of the picture frame, if that makes sense. So when you're done with that, then we're going to use our white paint or any color that you have in hand. Like I always mention, it doesn't need to be perfect, just one coat, light coat would be fine. Let it dry, and in the meantime, let's remove those little clips from the back to the front. So then I use white paint for one, and then I create the orange color using red and a little bit of yellow. And I also used the Mosh Waverly paint from the Walmart store, and I really love that color. That's one of my favorite paint from the brand. I mean, yeah, the color. So, but if you are impatient like me, just use the hair dryer. And you don't have to be waiting, because we know the acrylic paint take a little bit longer to the chalk paint to get dry. So then with the antiques wax, we're going to stain a little bit the picture frames, and then I just glue on top the wire signs to creating like a 3D frame. Then with the stickers, I just play around the way I was thinking they looked good. So you can create your own design. Doesn't need to be the same that I'm doing. Just this is only an idea, and you can create your own. So I played around a little bit with the stickers, and as you can see, then one of the big pumpkins, I wanted to put it on it, and then I didn't like it orange. I want to keep it the same green, so I just add a little bit of paint, and then I just glue it. Just like so. And then I just was trying to see if I can use a little bit of raffia, trying to create a little bow, and I trying in different part of the frame, but at the end I didn't like it, so I just leave it the way it was. And that's all for today. I really hope you guys enjoy. I'm in love with my frames. I think it came out really nice, have a really nice rustic look. I do love it, love those frames. I really hope you guys enjoy, and see you guys next time. Bye bye.